Esoteric Meme Breakdown episode 53, if Calabi-yau manifold had WhatsApp. Calabi-yau is a type of complex manifold that is relevant to research done in string theory. A manifold is an object that you can make a map out of, like how you would rip a map pages out of an atlas and reconstruct a small-scale Earth. There can be manifolds in dimensions beyond just our common 2, 3, and 4. This manifold slice is 6-dimensional. There isn't a great way of visualizing objects with more than 4 dimensions. A hyperkähler manifold is a type of hypercomplex Calabi-yau manifold. This manifold is, quote, endowed with 3 integrable, almost complex structures I, J, K. I don't want to speculate into this Calabi-yau manifold's personal life, but the hyperkähler manifold may be out of its league and might be a hot mess anyway. Within SU boardism theory, you can use Calabi-yau manifolds, but perhaps the SU boardism ring doesn't realize this, as it could be busy corresponding to multiplicative cohomology theory homomorphisms of core boardism cohomology theories. There can be an infinite number of Calabi-yau manifolds, and this makes the Peterson measure angry. I couldn't figure out why the metric would be mad about this. Someone let me know in the comments. Spinors are elements of complex vector space. In the 1920s, they were used to figure out the intrinsic angular momentum of the electron. In string theory, a heterotic string is a hybrid of a superstring and a bosonic string. There's a page on NLab about heterotic string theory on Calabi-yau manifolds, but I can only assume this was put in here because of its thirsty-sounding name. Ed Witten is a heavy hitter in string theory and topological quantum field theory, of which these WhatsApp contacts relate. String theory is seen by some as a candidate for a theory of everything, that is, a theory that can tie gravity and particle physics together. To summarize, Calabi-yau manifold is a class of manifolds, not a single specific manifold, and thus could not have a WhatsApp. But there could exist a group chat of infinite Calabi-yau manifolds talking among themselves. I'd be interested in seeing those messages. Give me a follow so you don't miss part 2 with a full 4,500 hour long video explaining this meme in the depth it deserves, once I remember if you're supposed to do subtraction or division first. Keep an open mind, indulge your curiosity, and let me know what meme you'd like me to cover next.